Hello again. I will resume my presentation from the question about assessment for learning and math. So, in this module, we are going to focus on fluency and like fluency as an assessment and how to promote fluency through formative assessment. First, before that, I need to clarify what does mean fluency because we, like most of us, have a wrong understanding to the meaning or the definition of fluency. Fluency does not mean fast. Like when I say the student has fluency in math, does not mean he solve the problem fast. This is was wrong definition or wrong understanding. This is what we used to think. But fluency in math, like for the student to master fluency or to be able to reach that point, he need or she need to master two stage, or I would say two level. The first one is the conceptual understanding. Conceptual understanding, which is mean that a student need to understand the lesson very well, to comprehend the lesson, to be able to solve some problems about the lesson, to like we can reinforce this comprehensive understanding through manipulative task or sense making task. So like helping a student to form a conceptual understanding to the lesson or to problem or to the content. This is the first stage or step. The second one, then we move on to the next step, which is the procedural fluency, which is mean that students know what to do and know the procedure or the exact procedure that she or he needs to use and when, and do this procedure fluently, flexibly, and efficiency. So then we can tell, okay, a student has fluency in math, but usually it's not that easy to reach that stage and need so much practice, like for a student to be able to solve a problem fluently and accurately, flexibly, and efficiently. It need a lot of practice, but she or he need to understand the conceptual lesson very well before anything. And I like Christina video when she explained about fluency, and um, she helps me understand the meaning of, like, the exact meaning of fluency in her video when she mentioned some examples beyond a mathematic subject. That's helped me to understand the definition a lot, especially when she said, like, when, let's say, example of fluency in learning another language, like when people learn another language and they have this fluency. Let's say they have this fluency when they learn another language, but how? I can tell because I am a foreign and the English is my second language. So I feel like sometimes I speak fluently, but others time I stuck. But when I speak fluently when I am fast. It's not that fast, but fast enough. I would say not slow. When I could be accurate, like the people can understand what I am talking about, and when I be flexible, which is mean I can choose the right word to be in the right spot and right place. So for her, this is what does mean fluency. So she gave an example about learning language, and I could apply this example on myself, and this has helped me understand what does fluency do. Now, for the last question, how is evaluation embedded in sense-making experiences in science and math? Actually, evaluating and assessing a student is a part of the lesson. and it could be the lesson sometimes, or like we can start our lesson with evaluating and assessing student, when Paige told us to start our lesson, investigating or asking a student about their pre-existing knowledge or idea. So, and we keep questioning them, understand how they think, and then build our lesson depend on that. So this is, I would say, this is a part of that sense making experience, the evaluation or assessment help us to do. When we also during the lesson keep asking them a question, so we can help them promote sense making. When we try to help them to investigate through the question, this is also kind of evaluation. I would say yes, this is help a lot in embedded sense making through this experiences. Even in math, in math, I remember when I watched a video, Annie Fetter, about her starting or teaching through problem solving. So I remember from her video when she started to teach through solving, she asked the student a question. How do you think we can solve this? What do you know about this problem? Can you solve it in different way? So all this evaluation, I would say, or testing student understanding, testing their preconception, or testing their their comprehension to specific thing, so we can build on our next step. Um, so also this is another way, I think. I mean, this is, I feel like I could recall this video because this is another way when she start to ask students, so she can start her lesson through start her teaching through problem solving. So all this, I feel like it will help embedded in sense making, help them make sense about everything they explore, they investigate. So yeah, this evaluation help in this idea. Thank you.